Here I have Nokia C31, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to take screenshot, what you have to do is to press combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time like this, and that's how I can take screenshot. So let me show you once again: power key, volume down at the same time, and the screenshot will be taken. So one more time: power key, volume down. So easy. You can find your screenshots in photos in the screenshots section, and here they are. And from here you can share, edit or delete your screenshots. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.